And welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to walk you through how to add money to your Skrill account. Don't forget we're using the Skrill website, so later I will do the video on how to add money to your Skrill account using the app. So let's get started. Now, to add money to your Skrill account using the website, the first thing to do is to go to the website, which is skrill.com, skrill.com. So once you're there, the next thing you're going to do is log in with your email address and password. So once you are in, the next thing is going to take you to this dashboard, which is exactly where I am. Next thing I'm going to do is click on the three lines at the top left corner to open up these options, and then you have to click on add money, which is the second option there. So once you tapped add money, so you see the money in the currency you're using. Then you type in the amount you want to add, and then you select the payment method you want to use to add it, and you can pay with your credit card if you want, which is the most popular. Now you can also use a bank transfer. You can use bank transfer, you can use PaySafe card, you can use other local payment method. It depends on the one available to you in your country. So as you can see, the ones available to me is just a credit card. But in case you're using the bank transfer, it can take up to 1 to 5 business days for the funds to appear in your Skrill account. But you will receive Skrill's bank details and a unique reference number to use when making the transfer from your bank account. Now, since I'm using the credit card, it's usually instant. All I need to do is enter my card details. So put my card details, and once I'm through with it, I click on add card at the bottom here. So you have to put in your card details, the name, expiring date, CVV, card label, optional, and then you can even save it and then click on add card. So once you've done that, why we save it is for future use. So you can also use the PaySafe card. If it's available in your region, you can use the PaySafe voucher to add funds without needing a bank account or credit card. Like I said, you can also use other local payments methods depending on the one that is specific to your region. Now once you're done with this, after adding add card, the next thing you're going to do is to enter the deposit amount. I've already specified the amount already, but you might be asked to add it again depending, but I've already done that. Next, you're going to follow the on-screen instruction, because each deposit method will have specific steps to follow to complete the transaction. So also ensure you provide accurate information. Once you're through with everything, review all the details, including the amount and choose the method, and then confirm your deposit. It is as simple as that. Please note that there are fees. Skrill may charge fees for certain deposit methods. The fees will be displayed before you confirm the transaction. Bank transfers are often free, but using cards or other methods might incur a charge, so be sure to check the fee structure for your chosen method. Next, there may be deposit limits depending on your account verification level and the chosen payment method. For example, for mine, I do have a deposit limit. This is it. My deposit limit is 5,007 naira and 18 kobo. That's my deposit limit. You can see it here. So most times you see deposit limits there. Moving on, if you're depositing a currency different from your Skrill account's base currency, Skrill will perform a currency conversion, and their fees. You definitely pay a fee for this. So you may also need to have your Skrill account verified to be able to deposit funds. If you want to know how to verify your Skrill account, check out our video on how to verify your Skrill account.